Okay, the last video was a 93 thermostat. Now we're going to do one on a 92. Should be the same from 87 to 92. The thermostat housing is back in here behind the distributor. The radiator drains in the same place. This shouldn't be too hard. I think I'll take the hose off, pop the 2 bolts out. It's another one with an O-ring on it, so you don't have to go nuts about, a gasket, trying to hold a gasket in place and whatnot. The drain on the earlier cars is a lot easier to get to. You can go down from the outside and reach under. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but trust me, I'm opening the drain cock on the radiator. Hear the coolant coming out. Crack the radiator cap. And she drains. Okay, well, I'm not gonna have you wait here while it drains. Like I said, it's not rocket science. This one's easy. Hose clamp, 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here. Pop the housing off. The new thermostat. This one didn't come with the gasket, but I bought the gasket separately. But this is the thermostat. And like I said, you just set her down in there, put the bolts back down, torque them back down to 15 foot-pounds, call it a day. Refill your cooling system, run the engine up to temperature, shut the car off, let it cool down completely, check your fluid level. Other than that, easy peasy. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one. Take care.